Hey everyone, it's Laura, and I'm going to show you 2 ways to do our teen craft kit. Both of them are with painting, but you can also use decoupage, or you can use markers. You can use pretty much any medium that you're interested in to decorate these. They are made with air dry clay, and they've been just painted white to seal the clay. You do want to be a little careful with them because they can be fragile, like any clay ornament. But really, how you decorate them is up to you. I am just doing this candy cane the traditional way, but with a non-traditional color. I've seen these done in a fun pastel color scheme. Up to you, though. And then I'll show you a different way to do them in a moment. But I think it would be cool to take pages from an old book and some Mod Podge and just make a tree that is book pages. Lots of fun. When you're done, just go ahead and thread through some ribbon. But here's another way. I painted the whole thing that pink, and I'm using the back of my brush, the plastic portion of the brush, to dip into my paint and put tiny dots all over so that it's a polka dot candy cane. Not necessarily a normal candy cane, but that's fine. Any color you want. You can also use a toothpick for this. It is completely up to you. You could put text on these if you wanted. I'm not very good at writing with a paintbrush, but if you have paint skills, go to town. These can be anything you want them to be. And I've seen people use yarn, or people use like kitchen twine or ribbon to tie them up on their tree. You might not have the same shape that I have. I know I have some trees, I have some candy canes, I have a few gingerbread people. So just have fun. And we've got loads of supplies at the library for the craft program if you come. And if not, just scavenge whatever you've got in your house. Make this what you want it to be.